let's go and see what we have as a software development methodology. Here with RigER, we use a 5-step methodology how to design configuration, integration, testing, and training and go live. And we apply this methodology to any projects which we run in with our clients. So step number one, usually it's operation blueprint, understanding what kind of business requirements we have, user setup, and figure out what kind of additional features we can add to the system. Step number two is actually coding when we add more flavor to our product and run some internal development in the system. Step number three, it could be integration with different systems, for example, accounting software, invoicing, it could be office software and other different packages. Step number four usually is testing. So every single new feature, we spend a lot of time to test and see how those new additionals works with the entire system and how it influences different features. And step number five, we usually do training for our clients, and some of the training hours are mandatory, some training hours are optional. So we like to be sure 100% that our users understand the system and understand how it works. And of course, the final result of our job is go to live, and the client has the system which 100% meets his business requirements.